What is going on, my good, mighty fine party people on this Christmas Eve? I'm out and about. This is One Take Jake. It lands and fall where it falls. MCFLYKOF, which means Merry Christmas in Hawaiian. So keep that in mind, because we got Who Has the Heat this Sunday. OG sneakers versus the sneaker connoisseur. Hope everyone doing well. Hope everybody got everything good up, going. They cooking, got all of their stuff. Got the sound, I got the eggnog, got all of that good stuff. See my Outcast t-shirt. Big boy. Yeah, you know what I mean. Big boy. Yeah, y'all just say big boy, right? So you got Outcast in the building, right? Okay, so other than that, let's get into this review. We're gonna keep it short, sweet, and simple. Shout out to the people in International Marketplace. Yes, just grab these things. Yes, you already know. Got the slippers. Yeah, we don't call them flip-flop, we call them slippers here locals, but it's not about that. It's about these joints. Got the box, Jordan 13 box. Bam! PP, personal pair, size 10. Retail suggested price $190. Black Hyper Royal, size 10. Y'all already know what it is. It's the Hyper Royal joints. I didn't even know this was a PE. Mr. Quentin Richardson, Mr. Q. I know he was all right with the LA Clippers. Most famously well known for your girl Moesha, aka Brandy, right? So Mr. Q had these joints, and he had the white and blue joint. So you learn something new every day. You got your traditional gray Jordan box. And let's open it up, because I didn't even put them on. I just grabbed and said, give me my size, and we are out of here. See, the paper is still in good condition, like so. And I got my favorite shoe right here. My favorite side I like to review. It's the left side. Y'all already know, 13 Tinker Hatfield shoe based off the Black Cat, because they used to call MJ the Black Cat. Black Cat for MJ. You already know what time it is. You can just see the similarities in here. Let me see if I can get some light on these joints, so you can get the 3M hit. Let me see. It's gonna do a little 3M. Yeah, you can see a little bit of the 3M in there. See that? You see a little bit. This one here, the 3M pops like crazy. So that's what made me want to give these things a try. So you already know right there, right off the rip, you see the herringbone traction underneath. We should turn on my light. That's the paw print, right? The Black Cat. One of the eyes right here in blue. Carbon fiber right there. Another most herringbone traction, more of the paw, so you can see the uniqueness right there. Coming around here on the toe box. The leather is not the greatest leather, but it's okay. Then you got your traditional Jordan and your Roman numeral 13. What is this? Nubuck suede on the tongue. You got your stitched in Jumpman, right? Like so. Coming around on the side, you got the midsole. Pretty good suede here. I like when they do this. When they try to start changing it up, kind of screw it up, right? Right here, pretty good suede as well for the blue hits. Then you got your whiskers right here with all this 3M just popping like mad. Then you got your hologram 23 with the covering. That is your eyeball, right? So I copped these at Shoe Palace. They don't give discount, right? So it is what it is. The base, I haven't got these shoes yet. Come around the back, you see more resemblance of the Black Cat with the black on the back. Come around on this side, pretty much same thing. You see the indentions that symbolize the whiskers. More blue hits right here, which is, like I said, is pretty good materials right here on the side with your perforated holes. All in all, looking over the shoe, look like pretty good, well done. I don't see the normal traditional glue on the thing right here. They could have did a little bit better with the leather on the toe bar. Could have gave us a little bit better wrinkle stankle. You always know on the shoe though, on this eye part right here, they always know to cover it up. So some people leave it covered, some people take it apart or take it off. Then inside the shoe, of course, let me see if I can get this out, because like I said, it's factory lace. Make sure I don't look all over the place. 10, 10 and a half. You can see your shoe tree. I don't know if you can see the blue inside, but it's blue. There you go, see the blue. And you got your QR code in there. Got to get Andre shout out too on this. Make sure, so Andre, big boy, Andre 5000, I think that's what he called himself, and big boy. So make sure I give credit where credit is due. But all in all, a pretty solid shoe. I can't complain about the shoe. It released last week. Was it a must-have? It depends. If you're a big 13 fan, knock yourself out. Me, I probably would need these under retail. But other than that, on a little lit meter, I would give these shoes out of 5. We give it about a 4.75 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. If you're a 13 person, you probably like this more. I know I have some people that like blue more than red, but those people should remain nameless. But hey, it is what it is. Leave a comment suggestion below. Comment, like, share, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. All of that good stuff. Merry Christmas. Mele Kamiki Maka. And out. Peace.